5:45 a.m. Could have slept in this morning because I'm not working today. But of course, too excited to go and pick up the trailer. So here we are. I'm letting the dogs out right now. They're doing their thing. Probably not going to leave the hotel until about 8 o'clock because we've only got a 40-minute drive to get to the trailer facility. So, gonna have to find a way to keep myself busy for the next little while. Probably go and get something to eat. And then stay tuned. The trailer is on its way. Excitement got the best of us. We're going to be arriving at the trailer factory about 1 hour early. For those of you interested, we'll do a separate video that will talk all about our experience at the factory, the orientation we got of the trailer, and the whole purchase experience. It was absolutely amazing. Can't say enough good things about the customer experience that we received. So stay tuned for a separate video on that. Lucky for us, we were only 7 kilometers away from the nearest Toyota dealership. We got there and these folks were absolutely amazing. They took the 4Runner in immediately, and luckily it was a really quick fix. Of course, in the meantime, we had to unhook the trailer, and we also unloaded the 4Runner thinking we might as well settle in for the night. We weren't sure how long the repair was going to take. So we took this time to get everything put in its rightful place in the trailer, which is really great because ultimately this is what we would have had to do when we got to the campsite anyway. And of course, before long, we were on our way again. There's our new rig in the distance. You can see we're all parked, mostly set up. It'll take more time tomorrow to do organization. It's been a pretty long day today, but we're quite happy with our new little home. Alright, so here's the moment you've all been waiting for, a tour of the trailer. It's a little later at night than I had hoped to do this video, so it's getting a little dark out, but I turned on the lights, so should be able to get a good tour. Just looking around the outside here quickly. Got everything hooked up here. Got our power, our water, our cable TV. We've got the awning pulled in right now because they're calling for a bit of a storm tonight. But we do have some folding chairs and this folding table that we're going to use as a bit of an outdoor kitchen. Let's have a look inside next. Alright, so of course it's not a very big trailer, but we're finding it's the perfect size for us so far. So as we go in here, we've got the kitchen, we've got a stovetop, 3-burner stove. We're using it as a bit of a countertop right now too. I think we're probably going to get a cutting board or something to sit on top of that. Got a little sink, a furnace. We've got our bed set up. So this thing can turn into a full king-size bed. We've got it set up as 2 oversized twins right now. You can actually put 2 tables in the center here. We've only got 1 set up right now and we're finding that that's a nice configuration. Of course, got our TV going already. There's Wi-Fi at this campground, so we've been able to bring a Fire Stick along and watch some streaming TV. Cupboards and storage all along the top. On this side we've actually got a microwave inside this cupboard. And as I turn around, we've got a fairly big closet near the door. And in here we have our wet bath. Got a little sink. And our toilet. And shower here. We started setting up a few things. Pretty cool light and vent, and there's also a little window in here. So yeah, that's a bit of a tour. Probably give another more detailed tour once we're more fully set up, but wanted to give everyone a sneak peek at this point. Hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned tomorrow for day 7 and also a tour of the KOA that we're staying at.